Hey there folks, today we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of market trends. We'll break down what's happening with essential stuff like food and energy, and then we'll look at how governments are borrowing money and how the stock market is doing. Buckle up because it's going to be a wild ride. We'll start by looking at how much things cost. Then we'll check out those important grains that keep us fed. After that, we'll move on to the energy that powers our world. And finally, we'll wrap things up with a look at how stocks are doing around the globe. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding these trends is crucial for making smart decisions. So, let's get right to it. Let's talk about food, the kind of stuff that keeps us going. Specifically, we're talking about wheat, corn, and soybeans, the building blocks of many meals. Wheat prices have been a bit jumpy lately due to the ongoing uncertainty in Eastern Europe. Corn prices are also up, driven by increased demand for ethanol and concerns about the upcoming planting season in the United States, which is a major corn producer. Soybeans, a versatile crop used for food and animal feed, are facing upward pressure on prices because of strong global demand, especially from China. Soybean oil, used in cooking and biodiesel, is seeing prices climb higher due to this demand. And finally, soybean meal, a key ingredient in animal feed, is experiencing price increases as well. This is because livestock producers need a steady supply to keep their animals fed and happy. Now let's move on to energy, the stuff that powers our cars and heats our homes. Oil prices have been on a roller coaster ride lately, influenced by geopolitical events and global demand. The ongoing conflict in Europe continues to add uncertainty to the market. Natural gas, a cleaner alternative to coal, has also seen price fluctuations due to weather-related demand and limited pipeline capacity. Heating oil, essential for keeping warm during the winter months, follows similar trends to natural gas, with prices influenced by seasonal demand and inventory levels. Gasoline, the lifeblood of our vehicles, is feeling the pressure of rising crude oil prices, which are passed on to consumers at the pump. Now, let's talk about government bonds, which are kind of like IOUs from the government. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to the government, and they promise to pay you back with interest. Bond yields, or the return you get on your investment, have been rising lately. This is mostly due to inflation. When prices go up, investors want higher returns to compensate for the decreasing value of their money. So, to attract investors, governments have to offer higher yields on their bonds. Finally, let's talk about the stock market, where companies go to raise money and investors hope to make a profit. The United States stock market, as measured by the S&P 500, has been performing well in recent years, but it's facing some headwinds from inflation and rising interest rates. European stock markets are also facing challenges from the ongoing conflict in Eastern Europe, which is causing uncertainty and volatility. Emerging markets, like those in Asia and South America, offer potential for growth, but also come with higher risks. So there you have it, a quick rundown of what's happening in the world of commodities and markets. From the food we eat to the energy we consume, from the bonds governments issue to the stocks we trade, it's a complex and interconnected system. Understanding these trends is essential for making informed decisions, whether you're a business owner, an investor, or just someone trying to make sense of the world around you. Remember, these are just snapshots of a constantly evolving landscape. Stay informed, stay curious, and always do your research before making any investment decisions.